Hi year one, so following on from our phase 3 speed sounds, we are now going to do our phase 5. Now, there's a slight trick one here because there's one we haven't learned yet. So I'm going to show you it now. What do you think it could be? You're right, it's E, as in monkey. Now we tend to find this at the end of our words. But don't worry, I'm going to do a separate video all about this sound. So I'm going to put that one down. We're going to start our speed sounds. So I'm going to take it slow. And remember, you say the sound when you see the flashcard. Ready? Off we go. I, oo, a, oo, e, a, f, u, o, oi, o, or, oo, I, E, or, oo, you, ow. Now, I know some of those are a little bit tricky, so I will be doing separate videos about some of those sounds. So don't worry if you found them a little bit hard, you can keep playing this video so that you can try and get them into your memory. Speak soon.